All right, YouTubers, I'm back again. So I'm going to show you guys the stash I got this weekend at the model car show, and I'll start it off with Henry J. You know, you can't have too many of these in your stash, and these things are going for some money now. Last time I looked, I was pricing for like $80. You know, so I picked this one up for like $20, and I thought that was a pretty good deal, so it's all there. Everything's still in the box. I also picked up the Chevy 2 Nova altered wheelbase, which I'm gonna have a little fun with this. I haven't built too many altered wheelbase cars, so and I thought this was kind of a neat kit to pick up, so I picked it up. You don't see a lot of them around anymore, so. What else did I get here? I got another altered wheelbase car, the Daddy Warbucks 65 Falcon. And what I like about this kit is I actually have a 64 Falcon Ranchero. I have two of them actually, and one cars, you know, real cars. So one of them, which I've owned for over 20 years now, and another one I've owned since like '04. So both have sentimental value. Also got a 6211 Chevy pickup C10, which also has sentimental value. So yeah, this kit I thought it was pretty cool. So, and I will be building this soon. So anyway, let me show you what else I bought here. Little coffin. He actually threw this in on a deal with the other two kits I'll show you in a bit. He gave this to me for free, and I wasn't gonna pass free up, right? So I thought this would make a neat little build. And I was watching some documentary on Jungle Jim, and I found this over there the day before I was watching it, and then I seen this over there. I said, you know what, I'm gonna pick that up. You know, he gave it to me for $8. You can't beat it. It's all here, and the plastic still. Decals are even good. So, what else did I get here? All right, I also got the Trumpeter kit, the '63 Nova SS, and this is gonna be a fun kit. This is still in the plastic. He actually gave me both kits, which is this one and this one, which is getting hard to find now. And I think I paid $100 for both of them, which I thought was a steal. So I mean, I know there's gonna be people out there that say this kit's and $100 for two of those, you know, but I think it's a steal. You don't see them all the time. And Trumpeter, these kits are good. I'll do an unboxing on these Trumpeter kits, how they package them. It's awesome the way they package these things. And with this build that's going on, this semi build, the big rig build, I've kind of gotten back into this kind of stuff again. So I mean, I went and bought the Mack DM600, and I got this at Walmart. I didn't pay that. I got the 40% discount, and I picked this one up yesterday. Actually, excuse me guys, I picked a couple other kits up that I think I did a video on. I picked up the other Mack kit, the R685 ST, the Mack kit, the AMT, and yeah, I'm gonna do like a weathered out version of these trucks probably. I think that these Mack trucks would look kind of cool like that. Okay, I'm moving a lot, so I'm sorry guys. And I built this kit before. No, not this kit. Sorry. Okay, this Kenworth W900. I'm building one now, but not like this. So here we go for this one. And I think the other kit, I put the old Peterbilt. I bought that one too, but that I put it up in the closet. So So yeah, that's what I've been picking up lately. So that is my stash update for this weekend. I got spoiled this weekend, huh? So I'm kind of lucky my wife loves me. So anyway, I will keep you guys posted on the big rig build, and hope you guys enjoyed these last two videos. So you guys all take care, and again, have a good Sunday. I will talk to you guys maybe Monday or Tuesday. Hopefully I finish that thing. So take care, and I'm out. Bye.